guys, this is the Sky Genius LED long life lamp, and we are going to replace our patio porch light with this light, and I'm going to show you the difference. Right now we've got something similar to this in there, and this is going to be my first video that I actually do outside in the dark, so it'll be interesting, so bear with me. But we're going to replace the light bulb from this to this new light bulb. Let me get it out of the box so I can show you how cool it looks. Look at that. And it is LED. There we go. You can see how it screws in just like a regular light bulb. So let's go ahead and get this thing outside. And there you can see a size difference. It is really, really big. There's my hand. So you can see how big it is, how round it is. But let's go ahead and take it outside. This is the outdoor patio light, and we've already got a light bulb in it. So we're going to take that light bulb out and put our new one in it and see what the difference is. Alright, we've got the new light bulb in, and I'm about to turn the light on. Wow, that is really, really bright. I mean, significantly brighter than the previous light bulb. I'm almost wondering if it's going to bother the neighbors. It's so bright. I think we need to put it on the front porch and not on the side porch. That way we don't bother the neighbors with this really, really bright light. I really like this light bulb. I love how bright it is. And let's take it back inside and I will give you the specs on everything. Alright, so we've got it back inside. This is the one that was in there. And it is, let's see, it's a 13 watt. And there's the information on the one that was in there. So it's significantly smaller. This is actually a 25 watt bulb. And that's the one we replaced it with. But it is LED. It's instant on, which I love. That's a must for me. And here is the information on it. It's a 25 watt bulb. So 2500 lumens. So it is a super, super bright bulb. So let's try it inside the house somewhere. Alright, we've got it all lit up inside. And now, like I said, it's better outside because it is so large. So you're going to want to make sure it's going to fit into whatever you're using it for. You can see how it extends from my lamp. So that's definitely something you want to consider. But here you can see it all lit up, all the LED lights. It is really, really bright and lighting up the living room in a very nice white light. But I just wanted to show it to you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more reviews. Thanks, guys.